Lacrosse is a really cool game. I've watched it many times, but I've never really played. Throwing that ball with that little hoopy thing that you whip out, it looks like a lot of fun to do, and you gotta be pretty skilled to catch the ball and to whip it out from one player to the next. We're gonna need blue and a little bit of brownish black. It's a light blue for the uniform and the numbers on the uniform. The character I'm drawing is kind of taking a few steps, running, getting ready to whip that ball out. When I'm done, I want to feel like I can hear the air whizzing by my ear from the ball he just threw. Come on, draw this one with me. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.